What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my friend Marshall, and we're about to put an exhaust on the S4. What are we about to do here?
So here we have a 2004 B6 S4. We're going to be putting a Fast Intentions cap back on it today. So we're going to show you guys how we go about doing that.
As you guys can see, it's a beautiful Colorado day. It's nice and rainy, just the way we like it.
It wouldn't be a day where we're working on cars unless something went wrong. And today, hopefully it's just the weather. Step one, add PB blaster. Boom, done. We're back, and it is a 17 millimeter. We're gonna zip off these 4 bolts. Boom, 1. Oh yeah, dude, this thing eats. Shout out to Harbor Freight. Sponsored by Harbor Freight. All right, that's it. All right, guys, here we're on like the middle of the exhaust, closer to the back. We got to remove these 2 exhaust hangers. I sprayed these down with silicone spray. We're gonna get the pry bar on them and just get them pried off real quick. That one was easy. You just gotta get the pry bar in there, pry that bad boy off. We're gonna do this one next. It's like punch myself in the jaw.
Looks good.
Okay, there we go.
From my view.
Yeah, you're almost there.
Pop?
Almost. Yep, there we go.
There we go. Oh, yep, that's it. Okay, that's that exhaust hanger. Now we got 2 more at the back to do. We've got 2 bolts on each side. These are 13 millimeter. You need an extension to reach these. Let's get them off. Who wants to help me wrestle this out of here?
Wrestle?
Yeah.
I'll grab this side.
Grab one end, I'll grab the other. I'm just a boy. Oh shit. Whoa, that's speed, dude. So update. Here's the situation. I bought this exhaust used, and it appears that the connection to the stock downpipe area is modified or cut off. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to weld this adapter, which I bought from Fast Intentions, which is 55 millimeter to 2.5. We're gonna have to weld it to the end of the factory, or not the factory, the Fast Intentions X pipe, and then we're just gonna put it all together right now, measure it, and see if we need to add pipe. Hopefully not, and we're gonna go from there. On, dude. Oh, dude, she went right on there. Bro, it's high tide. Dude.
It's close, but
this one needs to be a little farther out. Okay, so we mocked the exhaust up and we measured, and we needed to take about 1/4 inch off of this adapter here. So we just use the Sawzall real quick to get that all taken care of. And now we're gonna weld it up.
this is perfect.
Stop camera. We're back. We did welding, and all we did was slide it on. We slid it in. We put it together first outside of the car. We slid it on, and then we just put all the exhaust hangers on via a screwdriver. Some silicone spray would probably help on these, but we didn't show that part, but it's pretty straightforward. Do what you gotta do to get it on.
Let's go.
Give her a couple. Oh yeah, that's tight. She's not leaking from there. Okay. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, dude, that's pretty damn tight.
Oh.
Step 6, strip the bolt.
Nice.
Oh yeah, she's on there.
Cutting and
Let me
welding the exhaust.
let me do one more.
Strip a bolt.
Oh yeah, she's not going nowhere, dude. Oh, she's like not going anywhere, dude.
I'm sure the motor probably more happy too with it balancing each thing.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Yeah, nice.
Oh yeah, this side was not tight. Good thing we checked. Always double check your bolts, kids.
Oh, that sounds good.
It sounds great. Oh, yeah.
It sounds so good.
That's so sick. Dude, I'm fucking done, bro. I'm fucking done, man. Alright guys, we got the exhaust all installed. It didn't go as smoothly as I thought. I thought we were gonna be able to bolt it on, but that's what happens when you buy used shit off a marketplace. Thank you to my friends Ryan, Naomi, Noah, and Gabe behind the camera. Thank you guys for helping me get this done today. So
Yes,
let's
sir.
keep ripping.